Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Why do you know English words, but when you speak, everything feels slow? What if I tell you there is one English practice that can make you speak faster without memorizing, without grammar, stress, and without fear? Stay with me till the end, because this one practice can change how you speak English starting today. Chapter 1. Why you speak slowly even after learning English. Let's be honest. You understand English, you read English, you watch English videos. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank, your mouth feels heavy, your confidence drops. But here's the strange part. The problem is not your English level. The problem is how your brain works when you speak. Most people never notice this. Before you speak English, your brain first thinks in your own language. Then it tries to translate. Then it checks grammar. Then it checks pronunciation. And by the time you are ready to speak, the moment is gone. This is why you speak slowly. This is why you pause. This is why you feel nervous. And here's something important. Fluent speakers do not translate. They respond. They don't think about rules. They follow rhythm. But let me tell you something emotional. You are not broken. You are not bad at English. You were just taught the wrong way. Most learners are told to study more grammar, learn more words, memorize more rules. But here's the truth. Speed does not come from more knowledge. Speed comes from training your brain differently. And the good news? You can start this training today. You don't need hours. You don't need money. You don't need talent. You need one simple practice. And this practice forces your brain to stop translating. It forces your mouth to move faster. It feels strange at first, but it works. Let me show you what it is in the next chapter. Chapter 2. The simple practice fluent speakers use. The practice is called shadowing. Now, don't worry. It sounds big, but it's very simple. Shadowing means listening to English and speaking at the same time. That's it. But here's the strange part. Shadowing is powerful because it gives your brain no time to translate. You hear English, you speak English immediately. Most people think confidence comes first, but here's the truth. Confidence comes after action. Shadowing gives you action first. Let me show you a simple example. You hear, I am learning English every day. You say it at the same time. Not after, not before, at the same time. You don't stop to think. You don't worry about mistakes. You follow the voice, and something amazing happens. Your brain starts copying speed, rhythm, and sound. This is how children learn language. This is how your brain learns naturally. Most learners never try this because it feels uncomfortable at first. But discomfort is a sign of growth. And here's the emotional part. When you shadow, you are not alone. You are speaking with someone. That removes fear. That removes pressure. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need perfect grammar. You need movement. Now you may ask, does this really make me speak faster? Yes, and you will feel it very quickly. Let me show you what happens on day 1 and day 2. Chapter 3, day 1 and day 2. The first speed change. Day 1 feels strange. Let's be honest. Your tongue feels confused. Your mouth feels slow. You miss words. You feel messy. But here's the strange part. Your brain is already learning. Even when it feels bad, it's working. Most people quit here, and that's why they stay stuck. But if you continue to day 2, something changes. Something small but powerful. On day 2, your mouth feels lighter. Your reaction is faster. You don't pause as much. You don't panic as much. And here's what surprises most learners. You start enjoying the sound of English. You start feeling the rhythm. This is important. Speed is not about talking fast. Speed is about flow. Shadowing teaches flow. Your mouth learns when to move. Your brain learns when to respond. Emotionally, day 2 gives hope. You start thinking, maybe I can do this. And this hope is dangerous in a good way because it pushes you forward. And when you reach day 3, that hope turns into confidence. Let me show you why day 3 is special. Chapter 4, Day 3. Speaking faster without thinking. Day 3 is the breakthrough. Something strange happens. You stop thinking about every word. You start following the sentence naturally. Your pauses become shorter. Your voice becomes smoother. Your fear becomes quieter. Most learners don't expect this so soon, but your brain loves repetition, and shadowing gives it exactly what it needs. Here's why it works. After 3 days, your brain builds a small English pathway. This pathway allows English to move faster inside you. You are not translating anymore, you are responding. And here's the emotional moment. You hear yourself speak and think, that sounded good. That moment is powerful. That moment changes everything. You stop chasing English. English starts coming to you. But remember, speed grows with consistency. So, how do you continue without burning out? Let me show you the easiest daily routine. Chapter 5, The 5-minute daily routine that builds speed. Here's the best part. You only need 5 minutes a day. 3 minutes of shadowing, 2 minutes of speaking alone. That's it. Most people think they need long study sessions, but the brain prefers short and daily practice. Shadow one short audio. Repeat it 2 times. Then speak freely for 2 minutes. Talk about your day. Talk about anything. But here's the strange part. Because of shadowing, your speaking feels easier. Words come faster. This routine removes pressure. You don't feel tired. You don't feel bored. You feel in control. And emotionally, you start trusting yourself. You stop being afraid of English. This is how speed grows naturally. And if you continue this for 7 days, something powerful happens. Chapter 6, What changes after 7 days? After 7 days, your English feels different. You think faster, you speak faster, you hesitate less. But the biggest change is inside you. You feel confident, you feel capable, you feel proud. Most learners are shocked. They say, I didn't know I could improve this fast. And here's the truth. You always could. You just needed the right practice. Shadowing becomes a habit. English becomes familiar. Your brain stops fighting the language. You are no longer translating. You are communicating. This is not magic. This is training. Simple, clear, powerful. And this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for daily English practice. Give this video a like so more learners can see it. And comment below, I'm starting today. I read every comment. And I'll be with you on your English journey. See you in the next video.